Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat C14A error problem. If you are using Snapchat and you are having the C14A code on Snapchat, so let's see how we can easily fix that error. So the very first thing you have to check that your network connection is strong. Because sometimes this happens with your weak network connection, so you just have to scroll down your quick settings or control center, and from here you have to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular and your connection is strong, or you have to try to enable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have done, you have to retry to open with your Snapchat, or if it's still not working, so you have to clear Snapchat cache. So open settings, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here look for Snapchat, and you have to try to offload your Snapchat app. Tap on the offload option, and once you have done that, will reinstall app, and the app will be completely reinstalled on your phone. It will fix if there are any bug in your Snapchat app. Then you have to try to update your Snapchat app. Sometimes your Snapchat app is not updated, so you might get these type issues. You have to open your app store, then go for search, and you have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your Snapchat app section, or if you have, try to update with your Snapchat app. And then the next step is that if you are still having the same issue, you have to check for any software update in your phone. So open your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage or software update section, and here you have to make sure that your system is updated, or if you get any software update here, try to update your software. And once you update it, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, you can try to reinstall Snapchat app. So how can you reinstall? You have to click the wrong press on it, and then you have to select the uninstall option or delete app option on your phone. And once you get that, you have to try to delete app or uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled, you have to open your app store or play store and simply search for Snapchat, and from here you just have to reinstall your app. Once you have reinstalled, it will almost fix your issue, or if it doesn't work for you, you have to make a force restart of your phone. So now to make a force restart, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen here, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed, and now you can easily use your Snapchat app without any error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.